Are you ready to unlock the world of online income? Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of making money online. From freelancing to e-commerce, affiliate marketing to content creation, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities to turn your skills and passions into profit. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of a full-time online career, the possibilities are endless. Steps to online income. Step 1. Choose your path. Explore different methods like e-commerce, freelancing, or selling digital products. Step 2. Hone your skills. Develop your expertise in areas like digital marketing, content creation, or coding. Step 3. Build your online presence. Create a professional online portfolio or website to showcase your talents. Step 4. Market yourself. Utilize social media and digital platforms to reach your target audience. Step 5. Start earning. Launch your online venture and watch as your efforts turn into income. But remember, while the journey is exciting, it also requires dedication and continuous learning. So, are you ready to take the leap? Join us as we delve into the world of making money online. Stay tuned for more tips, insights, and success stories. Don't miss out on your chance to unlock online income. Hit the subscribe button and let's embark on this online adventure together.